Nowhere I can stay today. On Pedro. Let's see. I'm gonna try out the little flow too. See what we get ourselves into today. I'm just gonna switch to Samsungs. Fuck. I'm gonna buy some Samsung. I'm gonna buy a badass. I'm gonna buy the foldable one with. Is it waters? They're waders, huh? Waders. Yeah, that one looks. Damn, it's cold. It's a little chilly.
They make a black one.
Just get naked. The
like car tire material.
Oh yeah.
That one's like $500 or $600.
Yeah,
Just
I think I've seen
you know,
so.
if there's just like a couple drops or something,
Yes,
just
sir.
gonna wipe it off or accept explanation. But you guys are good.
Okay.
I just like to overwarn people.
Okay.
All right, let's
I was recording all that shit. Let's get it. Oh, that's what we're using today, guys. Huh? Swear to God. I was about to say, pup. Ain't no way you woke me up, bro. You didn't bring the bomb by. My good old reliable ugly stick right here. Still putting work, which was old yesterday. This is a backup baitcaster because my Shimano, the whole left plate fell off. Try to recover it at the dam. Let's see. Good morning, boss. A ver, tócamelo, a ver si está duro. This, fool. This way. The flow to, perro. La verga.
Let's get some fucking fish.
Yes, sir. What's up, guys, again? 40-pole hook set right here at Castaic, Lower Lagoon. Right here, my homie Pedro. El compa Pedro, el pescador. Follow his YouTube channel as well. He didn't change his name, but I'll keep you guys updated on that one. You know, destrozan. How about we start off with the shaky head, boy? Let's do it. Shaky head never misses. Nuh-uh. Go to now right here, the polymer now. I used to tie the fisherman's knot, but sometimes I would tie that shit wrong. Honestly, I lost a lot of fishes on that one. I'm being honest. So we just make it more simple, more stronger. You know what I'm saying? Shh, era nomás. Qué chulada, papa. Qué chulada, pa. Oh, see, that's where I messed up now. Damn it. Ain't that some shit? Don't you guys hate when you guys are tying a knot and either go on the opposite side or... Let's see. fishy on or no? Let's see. Oh my God, let's get it. Obviously, when you're really in, it kind of pulls you the other way where you throw your bait. I kind of don't like that. That's the only thing I don't like about the float tools. Other than that, the float tools are pretty cool. They're pretty accessible. But when I got was on sale, I got a crazy sale on there. I paid $120 for mine. Yes, sir. You guys are really nice. I do the same thing. Hopefully. There's just no bites here at all, like, being honest. Anybody who's caught fishes here at Lagoon, my respects, man. No. My respects to you guys. I'm on! Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go, bro. On the shaky head, brother. Yes, sir! Yes, sir. No skunk today, buddy. It's small, but it's something, huh? Guys, see? On the motherfucking wacky rig at Castaic Lake. Let's go. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate you for playing with me. Like a smallmouth, you know? Sheesh. Beautiful. Thank you for playing with me, buddy. I appreciate you, best. All right, let's go. Sheesh. Let's get it. One for the video. Una para el video, pa. Wacky or shaky head. Yes, sir. ¿Qué pasó, man? It was small. It wasn't that big. Maybe like a pound and a half. So it's okay, man. I want to measure the big boy. Huh? Right there? All right, okay, guys. I'm telling you, this shaky head. I never fish shaky head. I would always buy. Honestly, been buying like more expensive stuff, more flashy stuff, as you could say, for fishing. And if I'm being honest, I have not caught nothing off like stuff like that. Now that I've been using the shaky head method. Well, we went to Casitas the other day. We went to Casitas over there in Ventura. And damn, man, nothing was hitting. I was throwing chatter baits. I was throwing crank baits. I was throwing swim baits. I was throwing Senkos. Nothing. I throw a shaky head, I smack ASAP. So this is low-key why I have a little bit of faith in the shaky heads, guys. You guys gotta do this. Try it out. And this color is a little bit good since the water is not too dirty. It's stained, but it's not too dirty. You guys can see maybe like, if I'm being honest, 10 feet down. Just that it's a little gloomy right now, so that's why it's not like crazy. But all right, we're gonna jump right here, guys. You guys can see. That's what we're fishing. Porque esta noche voy a ver. You see, that's what I'm saying. Low key, you guys should really download ChatGPT. This is not a paid sponsorship. This is me genuinely using the app, and Hey, it works. You guys can ask it anything, literally anything. Oh, look. Damn, thank God I checked the drag. Ooh, there you go. I would have lost the fish if I would have gotten on right now. But yeah, like I was saying, ChatGPT it's a lifesaver. Anything you ask it, you could ask it, how do I fish this lake? What do I use? It will literally give you a whole list of like what time to fish better, where to fish. Oh my God, I just missed another one. Sorry about that, guys. I'm a little excited. Like I was saying, it'll tell you where to fish, what area, and oh my God, I don't know if I'm getting bit or if I'm getting snagged, but if you guys can see the rod, the tip of my rod, it's going crazy. Look. I feel a lot of rocks on there. Yes, sir. But hey, they say where the rocks are at, the bass are at. But yeah, like I was saying, my fault. I got out check again, guys. But ChatGPT is a really, really, really good app to use for anything. You can ask it anything you want, from how to build the car. It'll give you step by step. It's way better than Google. If you guys give it a try, that shit would really, really, especially if you guys that fish, try it out. Let me know how it goes down in the comments, and then hopefully you guys can catch something as well. I'm on, boy. Yes, sir. Está grande, pa. Where's he at? Where's he at, guys? Oh, this one's kind of big. This one's kind of big. No, never mind. Same size. Woo! Let's go, guys. Hell yeah, buddy. Hey, that's crazy. I had my drag loose. See, wait until I checked it before I threw it. Imagine I would have lost the fish, Ray. Woo! Man, he got really, but I got this guy right here. I'm gonna save his life right now. Come on, buddy. What's out? I want you to live, bro. I don't want to kill you, man. I got it, pup. My skin. Fool, I had my finger down his throat. I see you guys see this one. It's not bad. It's not big. Not too little. Let me see if we can revive him. What happened? Shh. There's a fat one. No, not fat, but. All right, come on, guys. You guys see the release? Jeez. Yes, sir, Papa. Hey. Right here, way. Right here, Papa. Huh? Good content, pa. Ahorita vamos a agarrar ya, güey. The big ones allá, pa. You're on? Swear to God. Oh, shh. See, güey? Ahí voy, güey. You're far. Show me your fish, pa. Sheesh, that's nice. Castaic Lagoon. Pedro el Pescador. Or what's your new name?
Se me olvidó.
Oh, no.
Pedro Fishing Adventures.
PFA?
PFA.
PFA, you guys already know. Follow his YouTube channel. Show some support, some love. Tap in. Tap in.
Let's see this boy. This boy weighs a good. He made it 178.
Almost 2, huh?
Almost 2.
They're not too big, but we'll get something big right now. Damn, fall, I was literally about to get a cramp. See you, way. First fish, pup. Come on, let's do it. No. Oh. Oh, my God. I'm an idiot. I said it too fast. El amor nos va una cada rato, me lo recuerdo. No? I'm pretty sure. Mira, wait, mira. Look. Look how, oh, you see? You see how bad they're smacking it?
Yeah, this is going down.
Nah, bro.
That's what I got 2 bites on right here.
Yeah? Hey, yup! Oh! Toño! Oh! Get over here, pup. You seen that? Sheesh! Come on, guys.
Bring him this way, bring him this way. Recording, hold on.
I'm recording, though. Gáralo, güey, gáralo. Get it.
Get over here, no, get over here. Get towards me.
Nah, I got it. I got this motherfucker. Get over here, Papa. You're not going nowhere. Sheesh! Woo! Damn, I need to loosen the drag on this. So I could take this. ¿Me ayudas, güey? Here, pup. I'm sorry, fishy. I can't let you move right now. Oh, shit. Just loosen the drag, güey. Porfa. More. Ahora sí, dámelo. Aguanta. Bounce out. Ahí está, güey. Thank you, güey. Gracias, pa.
Can you see good the camera?
Huh? Yeah. Oh, my God. Pup, this fool smacked it crazy. You guys already know. Let me show you my motherfucking wacky. Is it wacky? Yeah, it's wacky. A shaky head, whatever. Putting in work, guys. You guys already know.
Like a little 3-pounder.
At Castaic Lagoon, beautiful. Can I borrow your scale, Papa? Por favor. Oh my God, Toyo. Sheesh. And then what I just fucking.
There's a lift it, you're good. Let me see, what is it?
No, it doesn't.
What is it?
No, it's not.
I'll pick them up.
What? The fish, right?
Yeah, pick up the fish.
Oh my God.
What we got?
Fuck, this was smacked it crazy.
Yeah.
You guys already know. Let's see how much this bad boy weighs.
310, 322.
322. You guys already know. The 322 right here. I can Castaic Lagoon. Castaic Lagoon. We out here right now. It's a gloomy day. It's beautiful. You know what I'm saying? I stay motherfucking fishing, you know. Filet mignon, yon, yon. Bye, baby. Let's go. Woo!
I don't care right now, dog. Oh!
Seaway.
No way! Another one.
Oh,
Let's go, new PB.
eso es todo, mi primo.
We lost a worm?
On the wacky, huh?
Yeah, we swallowed it.
I'm telling you, when he jumped out.
Oh, yeah, that's what you saw,
I
jump?
seen it fly. I was like, damn, this fool lost it, güey. Ahí está.
Big boy.
Ready? You have the scales
Acá
too,
está,
right?
acá está.
¿Te la digo?
Oh! New PB! New
Está
PB!
grandote, güey. Está grandote, güey. No te vas a caer, güey, de hocico, güey,
I don't care right now, dog. Whoa.
Sí, güey. Sí, güey.
No way.
Let's
Another
go,
one.
pa.
Let's go, new PB.
Eso es todo, mi primo.
We lost a worm.
On the wacky, huh?
Yeah, if we swallowed it.
I'm telling you, when he jumped out,
Oh,
I
that's what you
I
said,
seen it fly. I was like, damn, this fool lost it, güey. Ahí está.
big 316.
Ya casi, güey.
Ya casi.
Hey, but big ass pescadote, güey.
Yeah.
Sí.
Go.
Sí.
Big boy.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Thank you for playing, big boy. Take my worm. No.
You gotta revive that fool.
No, he's good. He's good. That way.
He bites your leg off.
Imagine. Am I recording?
No. Yeah.
You got it?
Hold up. Yup. Oh, you motherfucker.
Fuck.
He's not coming back, huh?
No. Try it, but I doubt it. You spooked them away.
He took it. Let's go.
See way. Bring him this way. I got the.
You got it?
Yeah, ready.
Yes,
See
sir!
way, betting.
Number 4, Papa.
Betting, boy.
Oh, my. A ver cómo le hago para llegar allá, güey.
Llégale.
Ah, yes, pa. Oh. You got that on video, right?
Yeah, I think it's recording now.
Sí, güey.
Yeah, you should be still on.
Got it.
Got it? Todo.
Ten, pa.
Just throw it right there on top. Should float.
Mira, güey.
Damn, es todo.
Oh, my God. What a beautiful day, bro. Mira. I'm out to re-oil my. Fortunately, guys, my phone died and I couldn't get this on video, but we got it on
Hold up,
GoPro.
video time.
A little largemouth. You see me?
Weigh his ass.
Where's it? Oh,
On your boat.
let's see. It's gonna be like what, like
Probably a pounder.
pounder, huh?
Hold it longer to take a change to.
2 pounds?
Yeah. And then when it pounds
166.
166.
Let's see. 166. Oh, ya me va a caer el hocico, güey.
Hell yeah.
Appreciate you, Papa.
Hell yeah.
Esta no la tiene. Number 4 on the dot. At Castaic Lagoon with my boy Pedro. We living it up right here. What's up, buddy? Appreciate you for playing. Ah, cabrón.
Se te va el photo.
Mira. A little largemouth. You see me?
Weigh his ass.
Where's the oh,
On your on your.
let's see. 166. Oh, ya me va a caer el hocico, güey.
Hell yeah.
Appreciate you, Papa.
Hell yeah.
Esta no la tiene. Number 4 on the dot. At Castaic Lagoon with my boy Pedro. We living it up right here. What's up, buddy? Appreciate you for playing. Ah, cabrón.
Se te va el photo.
44 hook set, man. 44 hook set. Wow. It's been a pretty good day, solid day. We started from over there, where we launched, all through the shore, the whole shore, all the way to the back. All the way to the back over there. We fished all that already. Caught a couple fishes back there. You know. And right here right now trying to catch some. We haven't gotten no bites. The bite slowed down a little bit, but we'll see if we can pick it up. If not.
Got a 1 pounder? Huh?
Oh, I'm about to get a cramp on my back. Woo! That's crazy, pup. I've been smacking crazy. 44 hook set. Ah, another one. Number what? 5?
5, yeah.
5 for the day. Can I weigh this real quick?
See, see?
I dropped my fucking my ugly stick, pup.
There you go. You got a 166 again. 176.
See?
166.
Please subscribe, like, get us popping. I already know we're trying to make it out the hood. Yeah. See y'all later, bro. Esta no la tiene. Brr. So this concludes our day for Castaic Lagoon. Got here at what time did we get here, Papa?
We got here at 6.
6. And what time is it right now? Like about to be 4, no?
That'll be 4.
Damn. 6 to 4 fishing. We didn't do too bad. We caught 5, 6, 7 in total. He lost 2 fish. You got 2 fishes. Lost how many? 2. 2.
2 and 2.
2 and 2, and he caught the biggest ones. The heavier fishes today. I didn't catch them today. Psych. I caught 5. I caught 5 fishes. 2 big ones and 3 small ones. Which is 3 small ones, like 2 pounds. Not too bad. All on the shaky worm, shaky head. Literally shaky head. Money. If you guys want to catch fishes, shaky head. Right now we're gonna just wrap it up and just pick up all our stuff and then head home.
Fueron 10 años los sentenciados, ya van 2 años que ya pasaron. Mi madrecita, Dios la bendiga, a su muchacho no deja abajo a mis hermanos. Pronto nos miramos.